Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix this error when the version of AMD Radeon software you have launched is not compatible with the graphics driver. This tutorial will be quick and simple. Just make sure to subscribe to this channel and leave a like on this video if you will find this guide useful. So first thing you need to do is go ahead to Device Manager, and on Device Manager you want to go to your display adapters and you want to find your AMD. So mine is Intel, but basically it works the same with AMD Radeon software. So you're going to find your AMD Radeon graphics, and then you're going to right click on it and go to Properties. Once you are on Properties, you want to go ahead and click on Driver at the top here, and here you will have an option Roll Back the Driver. So you want to go ahead and click this version if you have this option, and that should fix your problem. If there's no rollback driver for you, if it's grayed out, you want to click Update the driver. And you can either search automatically for drivers or you can download your AMD driver. So you just go to your browser, write down AMD driver download. You want to go ahead and click on any of those. And now you will see the setup. So you're going to find this on this page, Windows 10, 11 drivers or Linux. So you're going to just download this. And after that, you want to browse your computer, and here on you're going to browse it and add your downloaded driver. Then you're going to click Next and it will update your AMD driver. And that's pretty much it. That should fix your problem. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe and I will see you next time.